Hello. It's a normal day in my office in Sutton Hall, except that I'm probably the only one in the building right now and one of the few people on campus. I'm learning to use new technologies, as we all are right now, and I hope to send you a little video update once a week as we go forward and continue to adapt to this new reality we're dealing with. This week, we've done some important things. The few students who are remaining on campus because they need to are moved into their new locations in individual rooms by themselves so they can isolate and have that time away from others, do the correct social distancing that we all need to do. We're about to finish our first week of all online classes, and I've been so impressed with all the great work that our faculty have been doing. Our students are stepping up to stay connected with their coursework, and we managed to survive a couple of technical hiccups caused by external companies and so on, not our work. We had it figured out, but others needed to catch up with us. I'm really thankful that there are a few other people working on campus today, and I would just give a shout out to our police officers who are still here keeping us safe, our maintenance folks who are doing the good work they need to do to keep buildings functioning. I'm glad the power plant's running so I can have heat in my office today and lights. And also a real shout out to our custodians who are doing great work cleaning up buildings and making sure that they're disinfected and okay to use. I will say that we are starting to button up and lock down some of those buildings so we don't clean things when we don't need to, and we don't use cleaning supplies and so on when we don't need to. I do think that I would encourage you to, in this time of some separation and use of technology, to be sure to reach out to others. We're making sure that we're reaching out to potential new freshmen right now, great plans going on there, and we're finding that people have a lot of time to do old-fashioned things like answer the phone and talk to you. Make sure you're connecting with others. I've been able to see some of the work our faculty are doing to make sure students stay connected, and it's really, really impressive what they're doing within this technology. I'll remind you of the emergency response fund that's out there. People have been very generous to give to that, and students are asking for assistance. It's been very, very heartwarming to see. Keep safe, wash your hands, and I'll be back to talk to you again next week. Keep up the good work. Thanks for all you're doing.